Here's a nice question where you need to solve for x. So we need to solve for all values of x that make that statement true. Now for solving a trig equation, I want to isolate that first. So I'm first going to move this piece to the other side. So it'll be 5.6 cos x is equal to a negative 2.8 root 3. And then I'll divide both sides by 5.6. And so I'll get cos x is equal to negative 2.8 root 3 over 5.6. Now because this root 3 is there, I sort of looked at this other part and thought, hey, well maybe that's a half. And sure enough, if you divide 2.8 into 5.6, it gives you 2. So really I can simplify this to negative root 3 over 2. Okay, and then it's very similar to the question I just did in a video, where if I'm looking for what values will make that true, and I look on my sine, cos, tan table, 30, 45, and 60, turns out that cos of 60 is root 3 over 2. So the reference angle, x, is going to be equal to 60 degrees. So 60 can happen here, 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 or here. Since it's negative, it's got to be in these two quadrants, not these ones. So this angle to there would be 180 minus the 60, so that's 120 degrees. And then this angle is going to be 180 plus 60, or 240 degrees. In the question, it looks like they want it in radians, so we can convert those to radians. So 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. Those would be the two angles that would satisfy that. And they say they just want it in the first rotation, so those would be my only answers for the question. Now, if you didn't recognize this here, you could, if you wanted to, plug this in your calculator. So you could go x is equal to the arc cos of negative 2.8 root 3 over 5.6. I typically don't put the negative sign in there because I worry about the negative later as to which quadrant it's in. But if you do that, it should come out to a reference angle of 60 degrees. Putting the negative in there, it might give you 120 degrees right off the bat. But that, to me, it sort of confuses things. I like to not put that negative sign in there originally. I have to remember that it's there, but if you don't put it in there, for sure it'll come out to 60. All right, hope that helps with that question.